Hi there, welcome to my new home. Today we're going to do a simple tour of my new home here in Switzerland. I recently moved out from my studio to a bigger house and this is it. It's an apartment, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and today we're going to do a simple tour. So let's go. First of all, we have a bathroom on the right, so let's go. Okay, so here in the bathroom we have a small bathroom, but it's enough for what we need and it has everything that we need to do our hygiene. So we have a lot of light from this window, coming from this window. Then we have a bath. Also we have a vanity with a lot of storage in front of it and a mirror, and yeah, that's the bathroom. Next, we have a nice corridor. So this corridor gives access to a lot of rooms. First of all, we have the bathroom, the main bathroom. Then we have nice cabinets for storage where we can storage food and cleaning supplies and all that stuff. Then we have the living slash dining room. Then we have the kitchen and a small bathroom here in the end. So let's start by looking to the main bedroom. And here we have the main bedroom. Here, as you can see in the floor, we have lined up a lot of stuff to see if the furniture will fit. And as you can see, here we have the bed. Then we have a little bit of storage here. Probably we are not deciding yet that part. But here we have the bed. The bed will be 2 meters long with 1 meter and 40 wide. And then we have here the wardrobe. Probably it's going to be a Pax wardrobe as well because we loved our Pax wardrobe in the studio and we're probably going to fit the same model. Probably a little bit long or not, we haven't decided yet. But here is the wardrobe, some side tables here, and where's the camera now? It's going to be a mirror. So here we're planning to put a mirror, and yeah, for us to dress up in the morning, it's going to be a nice place to be. And as you can see, we have a lot of light here and a view to the Alps, the Swiss Alps. That's fantastic. So yeah, this is the bedroom. So let's go to the next room. Okay, so the next room will be the living room slash dining room. So let's see. Here we have a dining slash living room slash probably my office. So a lot go into this small space, but I think I have the best plan for it. As you can see, or probably not from that angle, but we can move the angle again to that side. So here, as you can see, we have the dining table. It's going to be here. We haven't decided yet, but it's probably a made up decision already. It's a round table with 4 chairs and the space it's going to be here. Then we have here the sofa, right? And as you can see, probably from this angle, you can see the living room all together. So here it's going to be the dining table that I just talked about. Then we have a sofa that we didn't decided yet the width of the sofa because we have to wiggle around with the furniture to see. And then in this little section, it's going to be my office, all right? So here I plan to put a table, right? And behind the table, some props for the videos, and yeah, that's going to be it. And behind the camera, as you can see, it's going to be the TV here. So we're planning to put the sofa here and the big TV here. The distance between the sofa and the TV, it's going to be probably the same that we have already. Not much because we have the office behind the sofa, but it's going to be okay. Next, we can go to the next room to see what we have. Let's go. Okay, the next room, it's going to be the kitchen, and the kitchen, it's okay as well. So let's go. So here we have the kitchen, and the kitchen, it's a full-size kitchen, not like a kitchenette like we had in the studio. And here you probably only see our fridge. That is a big update from the mini fridge that we had. And here, as you can see, our full-size kitchen. The kitchen has everything that we need, and I'm very happy because we finally have a dishwasher, because at this point we hand wash everything. So a dishwasher, it's a must have, and we have one already. And as you can see as well, we have everything. So we have a oven, a top to cook as well, a lot of storage to wait, a lot of storage to put our stuff, the plates and the food and all that stuff. The same storage unit that we have in our studio, this one is used for spices, and we have a lot of storage here as well for pans and all that stuff. So it's very, very nice, the kitchen. So finally, we have a full-size kitchen to enjoy. And yes, this is the kitchen, not that big, but it's enough for our family. And we hope to be very happy here. So let's go to the next room, okay? To finalize the tour inside the home, we have this bedroom behind me. So let's go find out how it is. Okay, as you can see, this room, it's not as big as the other one, but it's longer, all right, and has a lot of space as well to do a lot of fun stuff here. So yeah, this is the bedroom. We have a lot of plans for it that I'm not going to disclose them yet, but this is the second bedroom that we have in this apartment. This one has a lot of light as well. As you can see, we have a nice window here with a lot of light and a nice view to the neighborhood. And we can see actually the Alps from here as well. So it's a very nice add-on. So now we're going to see a very nice part of the apartment, and that is the balcony. So follow me. So here we're going in direction of the balcony, okay? So let's open it up, okay? Let's go. So let's open it up, and here we have the balcony. This is the balcony, and the balcony is large. It's huge. Has I think 6 or 7 meters long from that side to that side. And as you can see, I have a lot of space to do a lot of stuff here. We can put a lot of stuff here, and I have a lot of plans as well to do in this balcony. And yeah, this is it. So yeah, down there are the Alps, and yes, very excited. Okay, so this is the tour of our new apartment. I hope you enjoy because we are very excited to do a lot of stuff here and to show you guys everything that we buy and how we furnish the apartment. I have a lot of ideas to do with the rooms, and I'm very excited to show you. So I hope you stick around. If you haven't subscribed already, do it, because it's going to be a lot of news down the road, and I hope you watch them all. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.